the one thing is making sure that when you're going to have one of these surgeries done, that you pick the right place. Not only working with the right surgeon, but also looking at the hospital. You know, there are special accreditations that go on for hospitals that specialize in joint replacement, shoulder, knee, and hip, making sure that they have a specific program for each. And if you look, you know, we all get rated based on patient satisfaction, length of stay, how much medicine gets used, what's the complication rate, and it all has to be reported. And I don't think most patients actually realize that. You can go online, healthgrades.com and other places, and you can actually find the grades of the hospital that you're going to go to. You know, we have built a program here that I think stands alone. I don't think there are many places that can actually compete with our outcomes.